and thank you for joining me. This is Entrepreneur News. My name's Alex J. Today I saw a story that I thought was really interesting. It says entrepreneur wants rainbow tooth polish to become 2018's hottest beauty trend, which I thought was extremely interesting. It's funny that it says hottest beauty trend, like that's what they're trying to push for, but usually if you're going to do a trend, you do it towards the beginning of the year. So you normally see trends like at the beginning of the year, or you see them like at the peak of summer. It's very rare that you have the hottest trend at the end of the year. Normally, like when you think back, like what was popular that year, you don't think of the thing that happened in December. You think of things that happened at the beginning of the year, right? So I thought it was interesting that they were trying to push it like that. So yeah, I mean, and in the article, you can see this product essentially is like nail polish, but for your teeth. So, I mean, I don't know, maybe some people are into that. I thought it was pretty peculiar, but let's have a look at it. It says, pearly whites are boring. According to one entrepreneur, rainbow teeth are where it's at. Now, I personally disagree. I'm thinking if you're going to have any color teeth, probably a good idea to have white teeth. Probably not a good idea to have weird teeth. That's just a personal opinion. Maybe I'm biased. I wouldn't want another color teeth, but hey, listen, if that's what you're into. It says, we see this becoming commonplace. Everything from a club vibe to an everyday workplace fashion ascent. Now, again, I don't really see this being a work thing. I can't imagine being at work, like being in an office environment with multicolored teeth, like people looking at you and you're like, you got rainbow teeth going on. I can't imagine that being allowed in the workplace. But that's what their goal is. That's what they're trying to do. They're trying to make it, a commonplace thing. It says David Silverstein, the New York City-based brand creator of chrom, temporary tooth polish. So again, it's like nail polish. So it says chrom is a little like nail polish, only for your choppers. For around $20 a bottle, you can gussy up your grin with whimsical hues such as sunshine, fairy dust, mint, and pretty in pink. Now, I really want to get your opinion on this because I love the fact that, it's talking about having it in the workplace and then it's telling you these crazy names they have like sunshine, fairy dust, mint, and pretty in pink. Would you want these colors? I mean, I'll show you an image that way. I'll show you an image. Would you want that on your teeth? I mean, it kind of looks like you were drinking something with like dye in it and that the dye stuck and you can't get rid of it. Like, do you know when... You know what I'm saying? When you drink those drinks and then your tongue changes color, it kind of looks like you did that, except for you did it to your teeth, and now your teeth are a funky color. That's my personal opinion. Maybe you think it's cool, and again, leave a comment below, tell me, but I'm just not really feeling it. It says, granted, showing up to your morning meeting with sky blue choppers might seem less than professional, but Silverstein sees multi-color mouth flare becoming a quotidian. I'm gonna Google that word right now. I don't know who wrote this article, but all I'm saying is, why on earth did you decide to go with the craziest words? Like, you're trying to pretend that you're really intellectual. You're talking about tooth polish, okay? There's no need to like go over my head with these words. Like, calm down. We're gonna hear this word, quotidian. Okay, cool. All right, well, we'll go with that. I'm going to keep my headphones on now. So it says, but Silverstein sees multicolour mouth flares becoming as quotidian as tattoos. But people find tattoos, some people look at tattoos and they're like, oh, you might be a dangerous person, or you might be a little bit crazy, or whatever. Like, people have preconceptions when they see people with tattoos. I can't imagine going into a workplace or a job interview. Imagine going into a job interview and the person across from you has got multicolored teeth. Are you gonna take them seriously? Like, I can imagine hiring someone, like I'm doing loads of interviews, I've got 10 people, this person's qualified, this person went to Oxford, this one went to Harvard, blah 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 blah. You got blue teeth. Okay? I'm not even gonna look at your resume at that point. I'm gonna say, alright, or maybe I will. Maybe I'm just like, I don't know, she had blue teeth in the meeting, and then I'll probably mention it. Oh, maybe I just want to be polite, right? And I'm like, you know what? I'm not even going to mention the blue teeth. I'm not going to mention it, and then you come to the second interview and you've still got blue teeth. At that point, I've got to ask a question. I've got to say to you, what happened to the teeth? Like, can we just pause for 1 second? Can we just circle around the block real quick? How and why are your teeth blue? I think that's the moment that you need to bring it up, right? You need to then ask, like, hey, why are your teeth blue? I don't think you can ignore it at that point. So you got your blue teeth. All right, fine, cool. It says perhaps you go to work with one tooth that matches your nail polish or your hair color. I just don't. Am I old? Am I old? Am I being stupid? Is this a thing? Would you want one tooth to match your nail polish? Like, is that a big deal to you? Have you gone through your entire life thinking, you know, I just wish I could have a tooth that was the same color as my nails? Like, is that a thing that you've ever contemplated in your entire life? You know, does this meet your needs? Okay, because I've never woken up and said, you know what, I wish my teeth were a different color. Actually, I probably think maybe they're white. Maybe white's a good thing, but I would never sit and think, you know what, I want a really funky color one. I wonder if they do come in a white color, because if there's a white one, hell yeah, I can imagine them selling a lot of that. But yellow, gold, blue, pink, like, I mean, you crazy. Unless you're going to a festival. Maybe if you're going to a festival, that's really cool. You know, there's a lot of people around you with crazy hair, and you know, they're doing crazy things. Maybe that could work. I could see that working. I cannot see you going into a meeting on Monday morning at 8 a.m. Your boss calls you in. He says, listen, we've got a serious problem in the market right now. Our competition's coming in. They're bringing another Wait, hold on, Susan, just real quick. Why are your teeth pink? You know what I mean? I just don't see it. Maybe I'm the crazy one. Please leave a comment below telling me your opinions on this. Would you ever polish your teeth a funky color? You know, from the article it says it doesn't stain your teeth and it's not permanent. I mean, you should hope so. I mean, you should really hope so. It says the polish is formulated to stay on for up to 24 hours and stand up to eating and drinking. To remove, simply brush with toothpaste. So it's easy to get off. I just don't think it's a good idea putting it on. Again, maybe I'm the crazy one. I'd love to hear from you guys. Please make sure to leave a comment. Tell me your opinions on it. Make sure to leave a like on this video. Share it out to anyone that you think might be interested in having weird teeth. Yeah, I don't really know what to say about that. I don't really know what to say about that. So make sure to leave a like. Make sure to subscribe. Press the subscribe button. And check out some of our other videos. We do videos every single day giving you the entrepreneur news. Thank you very much for tuning in. In the meantime, peace.